Hey friends, if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or just spend a ton of time behind the wheel, you already know dash cams are your silent witnesses on the road. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one that actually works when it counts? Well, today I'm breaking down 7 of the best dash cams you can get right now, from full 360-degree setups to feature-packed dual cameras, all tested, reviewed, and real-world ready. Number 1. Vantrue N5, the full 360-degree Guardian. This is the first dash cam I've seen that records all 4 directions at once: front, back, both sides, and even the interior. That's 4 cameras with crystal clear video in up to 2.7K in the front and 1080p everywhere else. It's like wrapping your car in surveillance. But what really sets this one apart? The rear cabin camera. Most dash cams ignore the back seats and trunk, but the N5 keeps an eye on your passengers, your pets, and your luggage. You'll even catch those sneaky side window hits or break-ins. Night driving? Covered. The N5 packs in Sony Starvis. 2 sensors and infrared night vision to catch plates and faces even in total darkness. Add in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, dual GPS, smart voice control, and OTA updates from the app, and you've got a future-proof setup. One thing to note: to unlock parking mode, you'll need the 3-wire hardwire kit. The 2-wire kit caused some hiccups in early testing. But once that's sorted, the buffered parking mode is rock solid. If you're serious about coverage and peace of mind, this one is a beast. Next up in number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro. And if video clarity is your top priority, this one's for you. The front camera records in full 4K, with rear and interior coverage at 1080p, all running at the same time. The magic here is Vantrue's Plate Pix technology, which zooms in on license plates with almost freaky precision, even in weird lighting or fast-moving scenes. That's a huge win if you're worried about hit-and-runs or sketchy passengers. The app experience here is buttery smooth, with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and firmware updates come straight from the cloud. You also get a full GPS log, route, speed, location, and yes, it's all stamped right onto your video if you want. The voice controls are super responsive, and there's even an optional CPL filter to cut out glare. Parking mode gives you plenty of control, and you can fine-tune motion detection so it doesn't get triggered by things like trees blowing in the wind. If you want something that just works in every condition, day, night, city, highway, the N4 Pro is an awesome choice. Number 3. Viofo A229 Pro, the customizer's dream. Now, for my control freaks, I see you. The Viofo A229 Pro is loaded with customization. You get dual Starvis, 2 sensors, 4K resolution up front, 2K in the rear, and shockingly, good night vision thanks to HDR. What I love is how many tweaks this camera allows. You can adjust exposure per camera, toggle HDR for front or rear only, customize parking detection zones, flip and mirror the video views, even pick which angle shows up when it turns on. It's wild. The GPS setup here is next level. Quad mode, meaning it taps into GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou satellites. That makes tracking way more accurate. It's got voice commands too, and a very clean app that lets you download clips quickly over 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Plus, there's an optional Bluetooth button you can mount near your dash to lock emergency footage without reaching for the cam. Smart. This one's for drivers who want total control, reliable footage, and don't mind dialing in the settings just right. Number 4. Vantrue N4, the trusted workhorse. Let's take a second to appreciate the Vantrue N4. This one's been around a while and built a fan base for good reason. It's simple, strong, and just works. It covers the front, rear, and inside of your car with up to 4K in the front and 1080p elsewhere. The image quality is solid, and the Starvis sensor plus IR night vision means it handles low light pretty well. One big plus: it uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery. That means better durability in extreme heat or cold, which matters if you're parked out in the sun or driving through snowstorms. Long-term users say it holds up for about 3 years of daily driving before it starts to wear down. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly, dependable dash cam that can handle rideshare life, this is a solid pick. Just remember, no Wi-Fi or app here. It's all button-based and screen-controlled. Number 5. Vantrue E360 ACE, the 360-degree all-rounder with a twist. Now, this one's fun. The Vantrue E360 ACE gives you a 5.2K 360-degree panoramic view, front and inside, and a 2.7K rear camera on top. If you want to see everything, this is it. But here's the cool part. It doubles as a handheld camera. Yep, pop it off the magnetic mount, attach the included selfie stick with a built-in battery, and boom, you've got a vlogging cam with IR night vision. Social media drivers, this one's for you. During the day, the footage is super wide and surprisingly clear. At night, the black and white infrared mode actually helps with interior visibility, and it doesn't get much glare. The rear cam holds its own, though low-light video can get a bit grainy. Voice commands, touchscreen controls, a slick app, and optional LTE support for remote viewing make this thing feel like a gadget out of a spy movie. Honestly, if you like having something a little different and useful beyond driving, this camera's a creative pick. Number 6. Vantrue S1 Pro, the clean, compact contender. Now for something more discreet, the Vantrue S1 Pro. This dual cam setup is all about clarity and simplicity. You get 2.7K up front and 1080p in the back, and it does a surprisingly good job capturing license plates, even at highway speeds. The Starvis 2 sensors and dual HDR give it nice low-light performance, and it supports voice commands, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and an optional LTE module if you want to monitor your car remotely. What I like is the super low-profile design. It tucks behind your rearview mirror and stays out of sight. No bulky screens or giant housings here. It's great for drivers who want protection, but don't want a big distraction on the windshield. Installation is easy, GPS is accurate, and the app is clean. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done, and does it well. Finally, we've got the Vantrue N2X, and if you drive passengers often, Uber, Lyft, food delivery, whatever, this is the one I'd grab first. You get a crystal clear 1944p front camera and a 1080p cabin cam with full IR night vision, all running on dual HDR with Starvis 2. Even in pitch black, you'll see every seat in the car. That's priceless if things get weird. The GPS works great, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi keeps downloads quick. It even supports an optional LTE module, so you can view everything live from your phone, no matter where the car is. There's also a magnetic quick mount design, smart voice control, and support for up to 512 GB storage. And yes, it records before and after parking incidents too, so your car stays covered 24/7. If you want strong in-cabin recording with flexibility and smart features, this is a total win. So there you have it, 7 awesome dash cams that cover every kind of driver, every kind of ride, and every kind of road situation. Whether you want full 360-degree views, a super stealthy setup, or top-notch interior video for passengers, there's something on this list that'll fit your needs and your budget. Still not sure which to grab? If you're all about complete coverage, go with the Vantrue N5. Want video quality that stuns? The N4 Pro has your back. Prefer customization? Check out the Viofo A229 Pro. And if you just want a solid, no-drama workhorse, the N4 or S1 Pro will do the trick. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world gear reviews. Stay safe out there and drive smart.